Good morning. I'm starting a new week of what we took for lunch. Today is Monday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him an orange Gatorade G2, one of the Price Chopper ginger ales. It's just like Canada Dry, but it's like a Price Chopper store brand. The sandwich here is on this Vienna bakery bread. It is chicken salad, lettuce, cheese, and a little bit of mayo on the bread. The chicken salad, I'll show you guys it later actually, but I have celery, onion, and bacon in the chicken salad, salt and pepper, and obviously mayo. I have a pickle spear here. I actually made the chicken salad Friday, and I made a big batch. We ate on it all weekend as well, and we're just about to hit the last of it, but it's super delicious. I have some buffalo wing Cheez-Its here, which we tried. They are really good. This is a chocolate, like Entenmann's brand little donut from a variety pack, and then a pumpkin pie spice Oikos Greek yogurt with, of course, a spoon. And I'm going to definitely have chicken salad for lunch, so I will show you what I'm having with it, and I will give you a closer look at the chicken salad when I get home later on lunch break. So it is Monday. I'm home on lunch break, and I made a chicken salad sandwich. I'm using my favorite store-bought bread, the Nature's Own perfectly crafted thick sliced multigrain. So I've got chicken salad, lettuce, and tomato on there. And I'm going to have a small bag of these Lay's chips and probably bring this banana with me back to work. And yeah, really easy lunch. I have enough chicken salad for tomorrow. This batch came out really, really good. And I'm going to also have a clear American Mandarin orange to drink. I've got my water cup at work. And we will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning. It's Tuesday and I have our lunches here ready to pack up. I'm giving Matt a Pure Leaf honey green tea and one of the Yoplait strawberry smoothies. Sandwich is on the same bread that I had yesterday, which is the Nature's Own thick sliced multigrain. The last of the chicken salad, spring mix, and Swiss cheese. Fits perfectly in here. I've got some Lay's classic chips, a Sargento pepper jack cheese stick, and one of the Entenmann's little glazed donuts. I am not coming home for lunch today because it's supposed to be good weather and I'm going to do my walk with some coworkers. So I brought my Yeti cup home from work last night to clean it, so I'm going to fill that up with ice water. I'm going to also bring a Body Armor Superior Hydration drink. I've got leftovers from last night. I made stuffed peppers from my mom's garden and stuffed them with some lean beef, some marinara, and of course cheese. So I'm going to heat those up for lunch. I've got some white cheddar popcorn here and then some nice green grapes. So this will be good for me until I get home and can cook dinner. But this is what we're having today, and we will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday and I'm on lunch break, and my husband is actually working not too far from where I work today. So I picked us both up some Chipotle burrito bowls. This is mine and his is in the bag. I have to drop it off. I wanted to not show his because I wanted to leave the top on and keep his hot. So it is white rice, chicken, corn salsa, queso, peppers and onions, and then mild salsa. I got them both exactly the same, but Matt's I got a side of sour cream. So this is what we are both having today. I'm just going to put the top back on mine, and then I'm going to meet Matt at work and we're going to eat it. So yeah, we will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Good morning. It is Thursday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I am giving him one of the Gatorade Orange G2 drinks and a Yoplait smoothie in the strawberry flavor. I made him a wrap on the cheddar jalapeno, turkey, spring mix, cheese, and ranch with a pickle spear, a banana on the side, some Lay's chips, and some of the Oreo thin bites in the fudge dipped mint cream flavor. It is Thursday. I am home from work on lunch break, and I wanted to show you guys I was having a Blake's shepherd's pie. These are actually really good. The only complaint I have is they are small. So this is a pretty small plate, and as you can see, the actual entree is pretty small. So whenever I have one of these, I always have to make sure I have a couple snacks on the side. So I'm gonna have this huge apple. It's a Honey Crisp. And some of these Blue Diamond Bold Sweet Thai Chili Almonds, I get these size packs on Amazon. I've been ordering a lot of my snacks on Amazon because I'm finding they're a little bit more cost effective than buying in like Walmart even. So if you are curious, because I do get questions about different snacks that I show, I have an Amazon store and I have a lunch and foodie like little section where all the snacks and all the lunch stuff I order is in that link. So if you want to even just check out the pricing and kind of compare it, because I know there's a lot of bargain shoppers out there, feel free to do that. So this is a shepherd's pie. It's pretty much just a mashed potato top. I'm actually going to like move it around for you. And there's really just beef and corn, but it's good ingredients. So this is actually a gluten-free entree, and the beef is raised without antibiotics. It's all natural. The mashed potatoes are from scratch. So this brand is definitely like a nicer, cleaner brand. There are no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no preservatives, and it takes 5 minutes in the microwave. But again, it's kind of small, so I'm gonna have the apple and the nuts. I'm having a diet peach tea Snapple to drink with it, and then I've got to head back in to work, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning on Friday. So Thursday after dinner, I decided to make a batch of egg salad. I just hard-boiled about 8 large eggs and peeled them up quickly, and then I used this little egg chopper cutter thing. I have one on Amazon. I'll link down below. It just makes it a little bit easier than chopping it all by hand. So I've got some celery and some red onion, as you can see, that I already have diced up into the container. So I just went and chopped the egg right kind of on top of it, so I could just add the mayo, the salt and pepper, and mix it all together right in the same container. Just makes it a lot easier. I add the salt and pepper at the end, mix it all together with some Hellmann's mayo, and it's perfect to eat on Friday for lunch and into the weekend as well. Good morning. It is Friday, and I'm super excited for the end of the work week. I have off today, but I always look forward to the weekends because we're all home together. I'm getting ready to pack Matt up for work today. He has a G2 orange Gatorade, a Yoplait a strawberry smoothie, an egg salad sandwich. I showed you guys the process of how I made it. Very simple. Celery, red onion, mayo, salt, and pepper. Super easy. So I used the, it's a Pepperidge Farm whole grain white bread. This sandwich is huge. So it's got obviously egg salad, lettuce, Swiss cheese, and a teeny tiny little bit of extra mayo just on the bread to help kind of bind everything and let it stick. But this is a huge sandwich. I could not even fit a pickle in here. And this is the container I use usually with a pickle. So he'll have that. I'm also giving him an Oikos 000 salted caramel, wow, that's a mouthful, yogurt. I made a batch of chocolate chip banana muffins last night. Also on Thursday evening, I made some banana chocolate chip muffins because I had some ripe bananas to use up. I'll leave the recipe linked down below. I actually sent this batch in with Matt for work on Friday to share with his coworkers, and I actually made another batch on Sunday for us to have as a family. So he will have one of these today for a snack. I'm giving him a little Lay's classic chip. I just have to throw in a spoon for the yogurt, and I am going to have the same exact sandwich later. Obviously it's 6 a.m. right now, so I'm not in the mood right now for an egg salad sandwich, but probably around like 11:30 I will have one of these. I have a lot of editing to catch up on today. I take advantage of my Fridays off from my day job so I can catch up on YouTube and emails and anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Lunch. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I always have my lunch playlist linked down below. It has tons of videos from over the years. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.